Hi, my name is Jay Miner and I'm the Assistant Manager here at the Country Chevrolet Vehicle Prep and Reconditioning Facility. Country Chevrolet opened this facility in May of 2016, providing state-of-the-art service and reconditioning to nearly 5,000 vehicles annually within the Country Auto Stores group. I am excited to announce that we are now offering our vehicle reconditioning services to the general public. Our reconditioning services can be broken down into 3 distinct offerings. For our detailing services, our certified detailing team uses all of the best tools and techniques to properly clean your vehicle inside and out, including buffing paint to remove scratches or imperfections, final wax to restore your vehicle's original shine, complete interior detail including interior shampoo of carpets, floor mats, and the headliner, leaving your vehicle looking, feeling, and smelling as good as new. Our paint and exterior touch-up services include paintless dent removal for dings, dents, and hail damage, wheel repair and painting, as well as body repair for minor dents and bumper repair and painting. And for our interior repair services, our expert team can repair holes and tears in both leather and fabric interiors, remove stains from seats, moldings, and headliners, and professional odor removal. Just swing by our service lane at Country Chevrolet and talk to one of our service advisors today. Country Chevrolet, where big city selection meets small town hospitality, and the region's largest full-service reconditioning center. Thank you for watching.